Welcome back to Underground Yoga. Today we'll be doing a meditation on the body, breath, and mind. This is a particularly good meditation if you've never meditated before, or if you feel like you can't meditate. We'll begin in a comfortable cross-legged position. It can be helpful to put something under the hips. If a comfortable cross-legged position is not possible, it's fine to sit on a chair or even on a bed or even anywhere as long as we're sitting with a straight spine. Feel as though you're being lifted with a string attached to the crown of your head. Gently lifted so that the spine elongates, the chin slightly tucks, and the back of the neck relaxes. Feel a lifting also of the heart, so that the heart opens, the chest opens, the shoulders move slightly back. Your hands can rest comfortably on the knees or in the lap or any way that's comfortable, really. And we begin with the breath. The breath does fine when we're not watching it. It's automatic. When we do begin to watch the breath, it's difficult not to interfere. You'll notice that as soon as we pay attention to the breath, we start to control it. Try not to control it. Relax the breath so that it happens by itself without your interference. Feel it, allow it to move in and out when it wants to, not when you think you should. Notice how this helps your relaxation. Notice how this makes more alertness and awareness available to you. If many thoughts arise and you forget that you're allowing the breath, simply come back to allowing the breath. It's not bad when this happens, it's actually good. Every time that you forget what you're doing and remember to come back, it's building a meditation muscle, a mind muscle, an awareness muscle. So just notice the breath until you forget to notice the breath, and then remember to notice the breath. When this starts to become easy, then we can move on to the body. Leaving the breath on automatic, bring your mind to the body. Move through all of the parts of the body and allow them to relax one by one. The neck, the jaw, the face, the shoulders, the hips, the belly, the legs, Allow the breath. Allow the relaxation. You will know that the body is completely relaxed when you can begin to feel the subtle movement caused by the breath. In a very relaxed body, the breath will set up a gentle swaying. The inhalations and exhalations will gently move the body. Allow this to happen without interfering. If you forget to allow this to happen, just return. If the body tenses up someplace, go back to that body part. Let the breath dissolve the tension. If you start to try to control the breath, remember to let that go. Don't worry when thoughts come up. That will always happen. The mind is nothing more than a thought machine. Allow the thoughts to happen. Don't interfere. Notice that when you allow the body, breath, and mind to do whatever comes naturally, how much energy of awareness becomes available to you. There's nothing you have to do except relax and notice. If you begin to lose track, start at the beginning and go through the process all over again. Allow the breath. Allow the body to relax. Allow the mind to do whatever it wants to do. The breath. Allow the body to relax. Allow the mind to do whatever it wants to do. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. As you exhale, you can open your eyes. Thank you for joining us. Namaste.